Good afternoon, all the students. Just wait for 2 minutes. Our friends may have to go join. Yeah. Next, yesterday we are completed up to second order reaction. Now we are going to the third order reaction. Third order reaction. So all the students, what is the third order reaction? There is a when we have that there is a three terms inside it should be three terms are there. That is called the third order reaction. There is a two ways we are considered. The single reactant is a three times involved. That is also third order only. Or different reactants, the number is become three terms. That is also become what actually? That is also become as a third order reaction. In both the same we are considering here. Either there is a single reactant is a three times, or there it is a what? Three reactants are involved in a three times. It is also sorry, A plus B plus C. That is also called as a third order. There is a three terms are there, different three reactants. Or a single reactants we are taken a three times. Both the things are also called as a third order reaction. Clear or not? This is also called a third order reaction. Next, come to here. The next afterwards there is we are considered here one more thing. When we are consider the rate constant or half time period, with all the values, when we are consider the rate law is the written for it is, you know very well. The rate law is the two types the rate law may written possible to here. That is R is equal to taken as K into A to the power of 3. R. It is also written as R is equal to concentration of A, concentration of the B, concentration of the C. These are the three things we have to write here. Got it or not? This is only the rate law for this. And as well as there is a whatever the rate constant is there, no? The rate constant is written as K is equal to 1 by, no, okay, na? Yes, 2t into 1 by 2t into 1 by A to the power of 2 minus, okay, clear or not all the students? Initial value we are taken here minus the initial value. What is that initial value we are consider? A minus x square. Sorry, it is written as minus A to the power of 9 minus A square all the students. They given wrong. Okay, no? A square. Got it or not? Here it is given as somewhat 0 square. It is not a correct. A square it is. Got it or not? A to the power of 9 by A square. Okay, clear? This is only the formula we are using for a third order purpose. Okay, now the K value for this. And half-life time period. Okay, now that is also we have here half-life time for a third order. Lifetime for a third order is taken as T half is equal to taken as directly T half is equal to taken as 3 by okay 2 a to the a square k 2 a square k, that is only half life here. This is about the totally components of our third order, first order, and as well as the yes second order and zeroth order. Okay, clear or not? Yes, when we are take a different orders, the different orders are containing the different rate laws, different rate constants. Okay, no, and as well as the half life periods. These three values are only kept in your mind. Okay, now the remaining whatever the explanation and as well as whatever the derivation for this class, that is not up to our art. Okay, clear or not? Just by heart these all the components, it is enough for us. Okay, clear or not? Please note down. The next we are going to the question answers. Yeah, next component. There is a question and answers in this. Listen all the students, there is a first question. Whatever the given here molecularity and the class for order of reactions, the given how the concentration is varied and how the rate is varied, that is also important here. These orders are very important. Once check it. Yes, and whatever the graphs for different orders, graphs for different orders of reaction, different orders of reaction. Okay, clear or not, all the students? What is the different orders are there, and what is that reactions are we are considered. Next here, first we are taken here between the plants the integrated with the rate equations, and as well as first one is about a concentration basis, next one is about a rate basis. Okay, clear or not? Suppose the concentration with the time. Okay, when we are taken a zero order, there is the graphs are indicate like that. When we take a concentration on the concentration of A bar, and next one is the time is along this one. Okay, automatically the zeroth order is started here. The concentration somewhat zero here. Okay, now it is the touch with the flat axis of y, and with the time it is the decreases. In the zeroth order, the concentration is the decreases with the time. Okay, and as well as the rate and as well as the concentrations, whatever there. The rate and as well as the concentration is varied for the zeroth order, as like there is a what it is, the rate is a constant for it. Okay, now it is indicate the word a constant here. This is the rate and this is the concentration. For what? For the zeroth order. Okay, clear or not on the students? And next to come to here, after this we have the what actually? Yes, the first order. The rate we are consider how the first order, the concentration is the what here? There is a concentration we are consider here, and next one is the time we are consider. Yes, that will be also looks the same start. Okay, now there it is a decreases somewhat. Okay, clear or not? Yes, and this is about the first order, that is depending on the what log of the concentration we are considering not in a regular terms. Okay, now logarithms of concentration based we are considering the formula. Once check it. What is the formula we have here for that one? K is equal to 2.303 by T log A naught by A. Okay, now that is only there. That's why logarithmic based only it will be decreases. Yes, the log of the value how to take here, not directly take concentration here. Okay, and next this is the graph based on the whatever concentration and the rate. Okay, the concentration is the become what increases, the rate is increases with the one with the concentration. Okay, clear or not all the students? The rate is increases with the concentration, and in all the order the rates are increases except the zeroth order. In the zeroth order the rate is a constant. Okay, now depending on the concentration. Why? Because the concentration is not varied also. Yes. Whole to the power of zero it is remaining constant. And next one, the second order, whatever the second order it is there. Yes, the second order reaction. When we are taking a second order reaction, how it will be up here? There is a we are taken the concentration, reciprocal of a concentration only we are consider. Yes, with the time. Okay, that will be looks in this which manner. That is opposite to these things. Okay, now increasing in manner, not in a decreasing in manner. Okay, clear or not? The time taken for completion of the second order reactions are more. Okay, clear. Compare with the first order and as well as the zeroth order. This graph is indicate that information. Okay, time taken for second order is the what? There is a more for the concentration, reciprocal concentration is increases also. Okay, decreases also. Next year we consider the what? After which same the rate is increases here. The rate is what? Increases in this manner. Got it or not? The concentration is there. Okay, the rate is increases here. Okay, clear or not? It is a what? It is a 1 by A we are considered. Next, after this third order, whatever the third order it is there, the third order is also similarly looks for us A, our second order. Okay, no, but there is a whatever the component we are considered that is under square. Okay, clear or not? Yes, it is a what increases with the yes concentration is like. Next, what we are considered here, the concentration is a constant here. The concentration is a constant. The rate is and it is a concentration. These are the flats are important for us for the recognizing the various orders, how it will be varied for the time to the concentration and as well as the rate to the concentration. Okay, clear or not? Rate to the concentration and time to the concentration. These flats are important. There's so many questions are may ask for you depending on this. Okay, yes, please note down. There are the graphs. First, zeroth order, first order, second order, and third order.
Here. All the students, the next problem. Practice sheet. Yeah, in the zeroth order, there is for every 10 degrees there the temperature. The rate is doubled. Okay, the rate is doubled. If the temperature is increases, yes, 100 degrees, sorry, 10 degrees centigrade to the 100 degrees centigrade. Okay, now what is the value of it here? Okay, clear or not, all the students? Here, there is a rate is equal to taken as what? The formula for the rate is equal to taken as doubled. Na? Here, what they given? Double. Here, suppose n is equal to taken as somewhat 1. Okay, got it or not? N is equal to what here? 1 we are considered. Understood or all the students? And what is the difference between the yes 10 to the 100 yes 100 degree centigrade minus 10 degree centigrade? It is about 90 degrees. Okay, clear? Means what? 9 times it is will become okay na greater. Okay, clear or not? How many times? 9 times. For what? For this rate. Here n is equal to how many? 9 times. Now the rate is equal to taken as 2 to the power of 9. Okay, clear or not? Yes. And automatically it is the 2 to the power of 9 is 516 times. Okay, the answer for the first question is yes. What is that? Sorry, 512 times. 512 times. The answer is D. Answer is D. For the first question, answer is D. Next, come to the second question. Yeah. What is the second question we are consider? Here, the time required for a 100% completion of the zeroth order reaction is. Okay, clear or not? Yes, we have the zeroth order purpose. The rate is equal to taken as that somewhat x is equal to kt. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Here, what we are consider? The rate is equal to taken somewhat x is equal to kt. Here, x is the what you know. X is taken as amount of a substance. Already we written this KT. Amount of substance it is. Yes, you know very well what is the K. K is the rate constant. Okay, and T is the time. T is time. Now this is the 100% of a substance is converted into products. Okay, now clear or not? The total concentration is converted into products. Then automatically it is a become what? 100% is a 100% is substance. 100% of K X is converted into the conversion of total concentration. That is why X is equal to taken somewhat A. Okay, now clear or not? A is a what? A is the concentration of the reactant. The total concentration is should be exhaust it is. Okay, that's why it is written as A is equal to K into T, and T is equal to become A by K. The answer is A by K. Understood all the students? The answer is somewhat A here. Okay, now A, sorry, D only. Answer is D. Second answer is also D only. Yes, please write down. Yeah, it is 100% of 100% of completion. Reasons you have to should write. Next, third question. Please, students, complete fast. Yeah, next component after this. Third question. What is the third question is given? Yes, the first order change. How these changes are with the time of first order. Now only we drawn the graph. Okay, suppose when you consider the rate of reaction, the rate of reaction is our first order rate of reaction. Suppose the first order, when we consider the first order purpose, the option A is, once check it here. What is the option A? We consider the rate is equal to K into e to the power of minus KT. This is only the rate of our reaction. Okay, clear or not? First order, in a first order. Okay, yes, the terms of K and as well as the T. Then exponentially, it will become what? Decreases like this. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Exponentially, it is a decreases like this, and that's why R is proportional to there is a rate of reaction actually depending on this one. First order is a depending on the rate of reaction. But remaining two options, whatever there, suppose you have to take a rate constant. Rate constant in the first order is not depending here. Okay, no, it is depending on the temperature only. That's why the option is A only, not a B, and as well as a C. The half-life time is also not varied. It is a fixed thing only. Okay, clear or not? It is a changes with the what? It is a changes with the rate of reaction only based on this formula. Okay, clear or not? It is not changes with the any other components. K is the constant, and as well as the first order is also constant only. Yes, and the third option is A. Okay. Next, fourth option. What they given is RCl plus H2O gives rise ROH plus what? Plus HCl. Okay, this is the reaction here they given. Yeah, the following things. So molecularity and order of the reaction both are 2. It's a correct? No. Okay, clear or not? The molecularity how much? 2. Okay, now clear or not, all the students? What is the molecularity here? Molecularity is a 2 only. Whatever may be this here. Okay, now there is not a problem. There should be, it is a 2 only. Why? Because the chlorine 1 only there, it is R is equal to 1 only. Okay, and there is a doubt about order. There is a what? One more substances, two substances are involved. A and as well as the place B gives rise somewhat. There is A to the power of 1, B to the power of 1. You think like that, but it is not a correct. This reaction totally depending on the water involvement only. It is not that much affected by this chlorine. That's why the order is 1 for this reaction. Only the first option somewhat confused. The remaining two options are molecularity is given as 1. That's why it is a wrong. What is the wrong? The B and D is a wrong. Why? Because molecularity should 2 here, not a 1 it is. Different things are there. There is a third one is also contain molecularity and order, both are 2 only given. Okay, now there is a which one? A. Option A and option C. There is a option C is the correct. Okay, clear or not? The fourth option is a C is a correct. Okay, why? Because this is a depending on the water only. The water is only main role played here. Okay, now yes, that is why order is 1 for this reaction. Yes, yeah. Write down there is a order is 1. Next, the level 1 is a completed. This is a level 1, not single track. Now we'll go with the level 1 questions. All the students complete up to here. Next, level 1.
The rate law for reaction is a rate. Okay, clear or not? Here given what actually? The given the what? The rate law for the reaction is the given. The first question. What is given? The rate law is given. That is a K. It is equal to taken as Ka and B to the power of 2. This is the called what? Rate law. Understood all of you? What is the rate law? Rate law is K of A, B to the power of 2. Yeah, tell me now, according to this, what is the order and what is the molecularity we are considering? There is a, which one of the following statement is a false? If B is a double, the reaction rate increased by the factor of 4. Yeah, it is a correct only. Okay, now the reaction is in the second order in B. Yeah, it is a correct only. Okay, now the second order for the B it is correct only. Overall order is become 3. But order of the B is a what? 2. Power is how much it is there? 2. Okay, now the powers of the concentration terms is only called what? Order. That is why order correct only. And next, the reaction second order overall, it is not a correct. Okay, why? Because there is a is a 1, B is a 2. The order is become 3. Okay, clear or not? That's why that answer false thing is a what? A C. The first option is, first question option is C. And the next, K is the reaction rate constant. That is a correct statement. Next, second one. Second one. First option is a C. Second one. The half-life of our first order reaction is, half-life of first order reaction is what? Is a constant. Is the time necessary for the reactant of a concentration to the drop of original value can be calculated from the reaction rate constant. All of the above is a correct only. Okay, no, it is B is only correct. Is that necessary to the reactant concentration to the drop of yes, it's a original one. The remaining are not the definitions of the of time. Okay, clear or not? Yes, that is only how to write it. The answer is again for C. Okay, and next third one. The specific rate constant of a first order reaction depending on, it's only depending on the temperature. The remaining are not influenced the as a specific rate constant. The rate constant is directly proportional to the temperature. Okay, now it is not depending on any other thing. It is depending on the given things. Whatever the given things are there, concentration, time, concentration of reactant, product. That is a variable. Rate constant is not depending on the concentration of reactant. Okay, clear or not? Rate constant, not rate. Rate is a totally different from the rate constant. Already we are discussing. And now there it is answer is A. Third answer is A. Next fourth one. Okay, yeah, check it now. Already you have it in your synopsis. This equation is okay. They what they given 2HI gives rise what and H2 plus I2 gives rise H2 plus I2. It is unimolecular or a bimolecular or a tetramolecular. Yes, or otherwise a thermo. What it is? Thermolecular. It is a bimolecular. You know very well. It is a what? It is a bimolecular. Got it or not? Why? Because there is a what is the number? It is there 2. Okay, now it is a what? Bimolecular. Yes, that is why the answer is a what? Answer is for it is C. Okay, clear or not? The molecule is only one, but we are using twice. That's why it is a bimolecular. Got it or not? Yes, this is only about the our level 1 questions, all the students. Yes, please note down these all the answers and time completed. Tomorrow, next session, we are going to complete level 2 and level 3. Then after again, we go with the physics. Okay. With this, first lesson of chemistry we completed. Okay, once again, please read it. Okay, total lesson of IIT Foundation book. Somewhat difficulty compare with physics. Why? Because physics is known thing for us, a regular thing.
Okay, now chemistry is a easy actually than the physics, but in this particular, especially this is an analytical thing, analytical chemistry, rate constants and rate laws, stoichiometry. Totally, our 9th class IIT foundation is a totally an analytical based only there. Okay, now the first three chapters are concerned to that particular thing only. Yes, next stoichiometry is also like that only, and the fourth, fifth, and the sixth and seventh. That somewhat again looks like in our original chemistry. Okay, clear or not? Yes, and that is only about a component. Uh, Thank you, Marandal. Please once again read the total synopsis of all the lessons and practice once all the question answers for this time IIT Foundation examination purpose. Okay, thank you.